Hi, I'm Chef Amy. In celebration of Earth Month, I wanted to give you just a few tips in order to lessen your environmental impact. The first one is the use of alternative dairy and eggs. So instead of using eggs or dairy, have you ever thought about using applesauce or flaxseed? Both of these things can be used in order to thicken your product. So as you can see here, I've got organic applesauce. This works great as a thickener instead, also tastes great. Or have you ever thought about maybe using a nut milk? Obviously, this is a great alternative because you're thinking about the welfare of the animals when you're using something rather than dairy or milk. The next tip that I wanted to give you is instead of using a single-use liner like this, a paper liner, have you thought about maybe using something like this, a silicone liner? The silicone liners can be used over and over again. These ones here are cupcake liners. Or I've got mini loaf pans. The mini loaf pans work just great. They also make large loaf pans, or of course they make cake ones as well. But this is perfect rather than using, like I said, just a single-use liner. And probably my favorite tip for leftovers. So instead of throwing those leftovers away, we've thought about using breadcrumbs. So from your leftover bread, making those into breadcrumbs or croutons. But have you ever thought about that with your cake? So you've made cupcakes or you've made a cake, you've got leftover. Take that, blend it up with some frosting as I've got right here, and then turn them into a cake pop. Hopefully this helps you with some ideas and ways to be a little bit more environmentally friendly.